It's traditionally oil on canvas. This is how we've learned to kind of reciprocate what we've been thinking. So uh, it's for both of us, that's really, really important. It's somewhere trying to do your very conventional way of looking into art. Of course, it is, I mean, been there since ages. And then you kind of bring that technology into the entire process, and you move back, do a very artisanal sort of a very sort of basic sort of a practice. You paint each and every inch of it, and then in the end you kind of take that same piece uh, which has taken so much of time in developing, and then you kind of put it into a space which is kind of a temporal space. So the installation comes in between, and we like this layering of mediums. We like this layering of the gestures where you were trying to do something and then you kind of recreate it again meticulously, very traditional way of painting it, and then you bring it up, and then again you kind of very unconventionally you start installing it, not in a white cube sort of a gallery, but you really wanted to kind of look very different and experience it completely immersive. And for the first time you come in, you'll never have that same impact of the space because it'll change forever. We're kind of very fascinated with this sort of layers, and I think two people working together, I think we like to do overdone sort of things.
Like adding a wallpaper, vinyls.
Yeah, we love these materials. I think it is, if one really uses it properly, it can do a lot. I mean, definitely with this new media, interactive, at the same time video and music, I think they are always there. But we are kind of very conventional to kind of put it up.